Cheers to summer, darling, and this gorgeous, warm, bronzy summer tutorial. Yes, I am digging in some of my old makeup. Do you not love that? Sometimes you forget about some old favorites and then you just dig through your little makeup drawer or makeup closet or whatever it is that you have, and you find all of these old gems. Oh, honey, can we talk about this strawberry watermelon blush that is so perfect for summer, especially? Hi, this is a warm tone tutorial. So every time though that I do warm tones, I like to make sure that I'm mixing some cool tones in there as well. So you can see that the contour looks a lot more gray because we don't want to look too orangey or too red from the bronzer. The bronzer and the contour were from Rare Beauty. Oh, yeah. Hi. Hey, girl. Snatch it up. They're from Rare Beauty, and I'm just so impressed with her line. I can't say enough good things about it. Also, what I can't say enough good things about is this concealer from Charlotte. If you are like me in a very hot and humid environment, or maybe you just want something that is a full coverage product that is long wearing, and this isn't completely waterproof, but it's water resistant, then I highly, highly encourage you to check out her concealer. It is my summer color concealer, so I use that all as the base of everything. And then to brighten, what you guys saw me put on top was actually Anastasia's concealer, one of my favorites. It has medium coverage. It's not super dewy or super matte, so it really can work for a plethora of skin types. Oh, here we go again with some house labs. Actually, not again. I think I haven't used it in this video, but also Rare Beauty and House Labs are my favorite celebrity brands because they are just exceptional. This blush, this is I think it's the Dragon Fruit Haze is the name of this bubblegum pink, and it's so good. Oh yeah, cheers. Hi. Thank you. But like I said before, making sure to add some cool tones because you always need balance. I actually hardly ever show my brows on camera because I take so long. I am obsessed with my brows, so I really take the time to go in and just sketch really, really lightly. That's really the key to getting brows that look full but still really, really natural. It's the pressure that I go in with and make sure that I go in really soft. Oh, now here we go. Here is part of our, what we're really going to focus on here is this gold eyelid. I was going to say star of the show, but these gold bronzy. Oh my gosh, this color is just so pretty. I did feel though, this is why I'm adding this warm brown into the corner, more of a terracotta, a deep terracotta brown, because I wanted some dimension. I wanted a little bit of shape. I started a series with short form content on how to wear color. I think so many people really get lost in being able to navigate how to wear color, but how do I not make it look like it's for the stage? How do I not make it look um, like it's just, yeah, it's stage makeup. I want it to look somewhat like, I mean, for me, this is everyday glam. This is my everyday summer glam. Going in with lips, this is one size. This is the warmer. I think if you really paid attention or if you pause, this is Endless Cacao now from Makeup Forever. But The first one, it's a lot more of a warm brown, and then I go back in with the Makeup Forever Endless Cacao to kind of, again, balance things out. And this is my trick for when I want to wear somewhat of a bolder eye and then a bold lip as well. As I will do the red lip or whatever the color of the lip is that's more bold, and just mix it with brown lip liners so it's not so poppy. Oh, look at this. It came out perfect. This is beautiful. This is not clean girl, but it's not drag. It's somewhere just perfect in between. And there's nothing wrong with clean. There's nothing wrong with drag, but just not for this tutorial. There you go, guys. I love you so much. If you haven't subscribed, do it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.